What we're looking at here is a Raypak 407A heater, and we're performing annual maintenance on it. So what has happened is this heater was having overheating issues, and I determined the cause to be that the fins were getting plugged up, and so you can see there's a fair amount of corrosion. I have already washed it with a water hose per the manufacturer recommendations. I recommend that once a year you disassemble the heater, remove the exchanger, wash it, vacuum out any debris in the combustion chamber. As you can see here, there's some of the refractory that is decomposing, and then there's our burners down there. The burners are not split open, so they're in fairly decent condition. The refractory has some cracking going on, but it has not begun to crumble yet. Probably in another year or so, the refractory will have to be replaced. But back to the exchanger real quick, we can see that in the areas where this corrosion is building up, we have some erosion of the fins, and it's mainly around the top and around the bottom. So I don't know if that is rainwater getting into it, but we also see some rust forming on the adapter plate. So I'm going to attribute that to rain. This is an outdoor pump room, and this heater is used on an indoor pool year-round, so it is constantly in use. So probably for a heater such as this, it needs twice a year maintenance to clean out any soot or debris. Now, of course, the other thing I'm going to do is connect my manometer to the gas meter and make sure that our gas pressure coming in is correct. And then I'm going to measure the water flow in and out to make sure that the water flow coming out is at temperature. So that's just basic preventative maintenance that's going to happen on these heaters every year.